Check out Darren's uniform. His dress blues for the winter season. You look so nice. Welcome to Vlogmas day 22. We are in Valencia. We just dropped off Darren. Oops, I'm about to get run over. He is attending his friend Allison's debut, which is a traditional Filipino birthday celebration. She's turning 18. So we dropped him off and Hubs and I are gonna go grab dinner here in Valencia. We're going to xoxo, which is probably like one of the best pho places here in Valencia. Maybe grab dessert, right? No, I don't think he wants dessert. We're also gonna go to the mall to finish up holiday shopping and maybe watch a movie. I feel really good that I put on like some makeup and stuff and I got ready. Large pho? This is really large. So
thank you.
It's a regular pho, but I mean the size of the bowl is huge compared to the pho that we normally go to in the valley, right? My dish has vegetables, tofu, broccoli, mushrooms. It's basically stir-fried vegetables with red rice. We're at the Valencia, Westfield Valencia Mall. It's called ice cream or something. Because you know why? There's always room for dessert. So we're done. Now to look for the Hubs. Oh, you know what? He said earlier that he saw a basketball player. I don't even know who it was. And he just stared and then he's like, oh, I want to like go up to him and bother him. I'm like, why don't you just go say hi? This is the opportunity to go say hi to this basketball player. And he's like, oh, it's probably not even him. It was him. He just kind of chickened out. Past hour, we have been debating where we're gonna go for dessert because Hubs does not want to get dessert. We're in front of this other place, Waffle Cone, and Waffle Cone? Is it Waffle Cone or Waffle Cone? Something like that. He didn't want to get that. We were gonna go to Boba Master, but he didn't want to get Boba Master. So now we are in front of 85 Degree Bakery, which he's never been to. I think he's gonna go check out what they have, and then we're probably just gonna get boba because this is like the only place we can agree on. If any of you guys have been to 85 Degree Bakery, please comment below. What is your favorite from here? Because every time I've been here, I never really know what to get. I'm getting a taro swirl. Ooh, oops. Ooh, that smells good. Tomorrow. Oh my goodness. This is like the opposite of what we want to be eating. We don't want any carbs. I think it's just me who doesn't want carbs. Looks like guava from Portos. This right here is the sea salt mountain green tea, iced. I didn't think it would look this pretty. They even have like some matcha at the top. Okay. Ooh, this is actually pretty good. You like your coffee? What did you get? Just a regular coffee? And you said it was smooth, huh? Good. You guys know how much I love green tea. They have a sea salt mountain jasmine green tea, but sometimes some jasmine drinks are like too florally, like really florally that I can't even drink it. You don't want to split the taro? I don't want to eat this.
This is good.
What is this one?
The taro bread.
This is good. My mom would like this. Let me try a little bit of that.
I feed it to you. In front of the camera.
Stop! Don't do anything bad.
Sweet, huh? Hurry up. Open your mouth.
Stop! Nothing like carbs. It's good though. Their bread's good. I'll admit that. It's really good. Hold on, this is the one that I was talking about earlier. It's a taro swirl, right? Let's see. I'm sure it's gonna be good. No, I'm not gonna have you feed me.
No, come on.
No, thank you. I will feed myself. Thank you.
I'll do it.
No, thank you.
Take one for the team.
No, I'm not taking one for the team. No, thank you. You see that? I'm gonna feed myself. Oh, this one's sweet. Are you trying to say it's bad because I'm the one who chose it?
Yeah.
No, it was good. This is the first time I actually really tried some of their pastries. I don't think I've ever tried anything.
Don't get this. taro with.
He did not like the taro swirl. Everything else was pretty good. It was good. Now making our way to TJ Maxx. Luckily, because it's holiday hours, they close at 11 and Hubs has nothing else to do. So that's why we're going to all these stores and stuff. We were just in the car a while ago watching YouTube videos, but now we're going to TJ Maxx. Really, really warm in this store. So it is time for us to open another one of the 24 days of tea from David's tea. We are on day number 22. Definitely regret eating all of the pastries and stuff from 85 Degree Bakery. I'm telling you, this holiday season, you know, I kind of just, after Christmas dinner and stuff, definitely have to just kick back on the food. So today we have Tulsi Tranquility, caffeine free and steep for 5+ minutes. It smells really fruity though, I can tell you guys that. Okay, here is our perfect spoonful. Talking to the Chicky crew right now. Tulsi Tranquility, fruity stress relief. The ingredients: rose hip shells and seeds, apple, tulsi, hibiscus, red currants, rose petals, raspberries, strawberries, natural flavoring, and it's also kosher. This does not contain any calories. Let's go for day number 22, which is right here, Venezuela. I think this is a bell. Nope. It is actually a trumpet. I don't know if I mentioned, but it is the next day. It's actually the next morning. I had put a poll on my Instagram and asked if I should buy this jacket because it was very similar to the Forever 21 jacket that I purchased a couple weeks back. Like, I love the way how it looks because it's kind of like a moto, is it a moto or biker jacket? I love the fit. Love how it has the belt at the bottom. Plus, I like how it's kind of like that teddy material because I've never been able to find one that fit me the right way. I would think it was really cute when I would see it on the hanger or on the rack, but when I would try it on, it just wouldn't fit me right. So I found this jacket last night at TJ Maxx. Love the color. And it was also the last one. Like, I didn't see any other one at TJ Maxx. It was in a size extra small, so I tried it on thinking, you know, oh, you know, whatever, it's not gonna fit. I tried it on and I absolutely love the way how it fits. It's not as thick as the black faux leather jacket from Forever 21, meaning the one from Forever 21 is a bit warmer because of the material. Downside, this is why I kind of like thought twice about it. The price point at TJ Maxx, I think the retail value was $180, which is like, that's way out of my budget, let me just tell you. But at TJ Maxx, it was $79.99, which is still steep. You know, I think it's steep for a jacket. I think I was trying it on for a good 25 minutes because I couldn't decide. So I decided to put a poll. And you guys, as of this morning, the poll is 86 yay, 14% nay. So that's actually pretty good. I ended up getting it, husband and Darren's Christmas gift to me. Let's go ahead and try our tea, which smells very fruity. Oh, this one tastes good. It tastes like peaches, raspberries. This would actually be good if you put this over ice. Tastes like a drink from Starbucks. So for today's daily tea talk, the question comes from Melissa, Mel BZ TV. Hi Christine, I don't know if you've talked about this before. I was just wondering if you could talk about your wedding. Also, do you think you guys will ever renew your vows? Hi Melissa, thank you so much for leaving your question, your topic. That's a really good one. I don't think I've ever really talked about it too. If you guys haven't seen Melissa's channel, I'm gonna link it right up here in the card area. Mel BZ TV. I watch her daily vlogs all the time with her family. We got to hang out a few months ago and we went to a museum here in LA when she was visiting. So make sure you guys check out her channel, show her some love. My husband and I got married back in September 4, 2004. It was just a civil wedding in Ventura County. We did get all dressed up. I had like a white dress with a veil. Put a picture here. It's like one of my favorite pictures of the three of us. Very, very close friends and family who attended the wedding. We also had like a small little reception, which was at my mother-in-law's house when she used to live here in Thousand Oaks. Darren was the ring bearer. Do you think you guys will ever renew your vows? Actually, my mom has been talking about it for a couple of years now because she really wanted us to get married in the church because we are Catholic. So it wouldn't be like a whole huge ceremony. It would just be kind of like a renewal, I guess, of the vows, but at least it's through the church. So hopefully, I'm not sure when, but hopefully we will end up doing that. That would be really great. Before I forget, let's go ahead and eat our little chocolate. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. We're gonna hang up day number 22. We're gonna hang up day 22. My vanity table is so messy. I gotta clean up. There's day number 22. I'm gonna go ahead and Vlogmas day 22 here. I have a ton of cleaning up to do. I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday. Wishing my mother-in-law an early happy birthday because since this is technically the next day, it is my mother-in-law's birthday. So happy birthday, Ma. Also, belated happy birthday to Cheryl C. She left the topic for yesterday's. So happy birthday, Cheryl. I hope you had a great birthday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing Sunday, you guys. I will see you guys later for Vlogmas day 23.